Welcome back to First Moveable Guitar Chords. This book focuses on 8 movable chord shapes. We're at the bottom of page 19 and our new song is Go Tell It on the Mountain. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords that you can read from and write in. Plus you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. Before we look at the chords for Go Tell It on the Mountain, let's look at the form. At the end of the last line, there's a DC al fine, or da capo al fine. The DC or da capo means we go back to the beginning, and the fine part of DC al fine means we stop at the fine measure. There's a fine marking at the end of the second line. So we play all the way through. Make sure you watch that fermata at the end of the last line. Then there's the DC al fine, so we jump back to the beginning, play those first 2 lines again, stop at the fine bar. And now let's take a look at these chords. We begin with E flat major on string 5. So we need to find our E flat root note on string 5. That'll be at the 6th fret. And because that root note is on the 5th string, we play our 5th string major shape. Next we have a B flat 7 on string 6. We need to find our B flat note on string 6. That'll be at the 6th fret as well. And because that's on the 6th string, that'll be the 6th string dominant 7 shape. Then there's an E flat again, and then there's an A flat major on string 6. That'll be at the 4th fret on the 6th string. That'll be the 6th string major shape. Beginning of line 2, we go back to that same E flat major. And then we have a C minor on string 6. That'll be at the 8th fret. That's where our root is. That's C. Play the 6th string minor shape for that. And then we have an F7 on string 5. Our F root note on string 5 is at the 8th fret. And that'll be with the 5th string dominant 7 shape, making sure to place your 3rd finger on that F, the root. And then we have a B flat 7 again, just like we played in the first line, and another E flat major, just like in the first line. In lines 3 and 4, you can see there are no string numbers by these chords, but they're the same chords. Just play those E flats, C minors, B flat 7s, and so forth, the same way you did in the first 2 lines. Before you play this song, I do recommend cycling through the chords, because there's a lot of them in this one. And I think you could get away with just cycling through lines 1 and 2 because that covers all the chords. So play your E flat, your B flat 7, E flat, A flat major. No pattern. You're just finding these chords. E flat, C minor, F7, B flat 7, and E flat 7. Once you're comfortable finding the chords, go ahead and play through this song. Now, it's marked at quarter equals 120, which is pretty brisk. Don't try 120 yet. Play it as slowly as you need to, because it's more about finding the chords than speed. The speed will come over time, and you can play whatever pattern you like. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Beginning. Your assignment is to practice Go Tell It on the Mountain at the bottom of page 19. Don't forget to order your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 20. You're going to learn chords for My Blue Heaven.